Today we will share 4 customized high-temperature ovens from our customers. The height of this equipment is 1.5 meters. The width is 1.3 meters. And the depth is 1.4 meters. The temperature range of the product is from room temperature to 300 degrees. The load-bearing capacity of this equipment is also customized by the customer. For example, let's take a look at the internals of this equipment. This equipment has only one load-bearing layer. The thickness of this steel plate is 10 millimeters, and 1 ton or 2 tons of products can be placed on it for testing. Let's look at this high-temperature oven. This equipment is also customized by the customer. This equipment has a 2-layer bearing frame. That equipment can put large samples in for testing. Small samples can be placed in this device. Products can do aging test in this equipment.